Hello everyone and welcome to my walkthrough of the Maynooth furniture website Mockup. Before we walk through the Mockup itself, I just want to remind everyone of the persona that I was working with. So the persona we've got here is, her name is Catherine. She's 50 years old. She's an executive from Dublin, Ireland. Catherine is updating the furniture at her 4-bedroom family home. The update in furniture is following the slow remodeling of the house now that her kids have left for university. She loves to browse style guides online and uses Pinterest to gather her design ideas. So kind of with those ideas in mind, I know I wanted to present a lot of images on the homepage specifically, but kind of all throughout the site. So we're looking at the homepage here, and up here at the top we have our hero slider. The hero slider has 5 images that the slider will cycle through, through some predetermined amount of time. If anyone is interested in one of the photos that's there, they can simply tap on it, click it, and then they can find out more about that particular product. Down below the hero slider here, we have this new in store section. The new in store section highlights 3 products here. Each one has a photo. There is the product name on the photo. And then if someone wants to find out more information about it, they can simply click on the view product button to go right to that particular product. Down below that, we have the Get Inspired section. Here we've got 6 different images, and these images can either be furniture, they can be rooms of furniture, or they can be rooms of furniture that are kind of highlighting different features or colors. So as you can see, we've got inspiration 1 through 6 that I've labeled there. Each one of those is an image, and then if you are interested in shopping based on that inspiration, you can click on the Shop Inspiration button there. And then down here at the bottom, we have this clearance section. This is just a single image with a button that says Shop Clearance. The image can either represent a single piece of furniture, or it can represent a collage of furniture that's currently on clearance. So let's go back up here to the top. I'm going to start here with the contact page first. So if you click on the contact page, that'll load the contact form. This is made to look like an envelope. And that was done intentionally. Our contact page here has a form which has 4 different fields. There's the first name, last name, email, and a comment, and you can submit. Or if you're interested in our actual physical address, we've got our physical address there. We have our email address, and then we have our social media links there. All right, so let's go back to the home page. Now I'll click into the living room page here. So the living room page, again, really highlighting a number of different photos, because that's kind of what we want to present to the website goer here. So the living room page has, up here at the top, we have this shop by type, and this is by type of furniture. So I've got this laid out here in a 2x4 grid, so 2 rows, 4 columns. As you can see, each one of those will have a photo, and it will have the name of that below that. And then you can either click or tap on either the photo or the name to go to that particular piece of furniture. Down below that, we have shop by color. So if you're not interested in shopping by furniture type, you can actually shop based on the color of furniture that we have in stock. And then down below that, again, we have a shop by inspiration section, which in this case, it does not have any buttons. It's, again, just different photos. So we have 4 different photos here. The first one's a large one. The second and the third one are smaller photos that are stacked. And then the third one here is a larger photo in terms of height, but a little bit narrower in terms of width for shopping by inspiration. So let's come back up here. We'll click on this first one for shopping by type. That will take us to our actual product page. That's what we're looking at here. So our product page up here at the top has the product name. It has this really large photo of the product itself. Down below that, we'll have 2 thumbnails. So the first thumbnail here will represent the image we're currently looking at. If you click or select the second photo here, that would replace the large image that we're seeing up here. Down below the photos, we immediately have the price, so you can see what the price is. And then down below the price, we have an add to cart button, so you can immediately add that to your cart. Below the button, we've got our product description to explain, what the product is. We've got product details, so things like, height, width, length, and stuff like that. And then down below that, we have similar products, which are related to the product we're currently looking at. So we've got 4 of those laid out there. As you can see, there's an image for each one. Down below the image, we have the product name, and then we have the price. So that is my walkthrough of the Maynooth Furniture website mockup.